Hey, Emory-Outdoors here, and as you can see, I am out on the kayak today. Went out fishing, and I just wanted to talk about my road ID a little bit. This is just a public service announcement, not sponsored, not paid. They have no idea I'm making this, but I just really think it's an important piece of gear, and I chose the dog tag version. Um, just because it's easy to wear around my neck. It's got my name and address, and it's got two phone numbers, two people to contact in case I run into a problem. um, I generally don't carry my wallet or my phone with me, and if I do, it's in a dry bag stuffed in the boat, so it'd be really hard to get to if I needed it. Not impossible, but really hard. Whereas, my road ID, if I'm incapacitated or, hurt, I've got, who I am and two contact numbers on it. So, definitely check out the road ID. It's a product I really believe in. Um, it's a great thing to have. Thanks for watching.